Good afternoon. It's tea time number 40. Before we steep our tea, let's first prepare our water with a click of a button, in my case, of the tea kettle. As our water heats up, let's take a look at this afternoon's tea. Today's tea will be Raspberry Herbal. It's once again by Harney Sons, and it's a caffeine-free herbal tea. Let's take a look at this tea's description, which I've pulled up on from Harney Sons website. Our Raspberry Herbal Tisane is a mixture of rose hips, hibiscus, orange peel, and raspberry flavor that produces a bright, great-tasting tea. It looks especially tempting when brewed in a glass teapot and served at parties. Enjoy it hot or iced. Let's also read Mike's tea reviews, or rather Mike's tea ratings details. Raspberries are very popular. People love the look and taste of this fruit. We looked to recreate those beloved flavors in a caffeine-free brew of dried fruits and flavors. Let's take a look at this tea's brewing instructions. Use 1 cup of boiling water per tea bag and steep for 5 minutes. We have our boiling water here. Let's steep this tea. It smells so cool. We now wait our 5 minutes, and maybe that time will move slowly for me or fast. We'll be right back. We've reached our 5-minute time limit of steep time. Let's try this tea. This tea has some elements which I was expecting and wasn't looking forward to, but there are also some elements in this tea which I like. So the things that I was expecting that I wasn't looking forward to include a hibiscus kind of sour tang to the tea. Also a general high flavor level, which doesn't bring about refreshing senses. This tea doesn't impress me in terms of depth. It doesn't compete, or it does. It is on the same level as those Celestial Seasonings, zinger teas, and classic hibiscus teas. So the more I sip this tea, the more I appreciate its aftertaste. For that, I'm giving the tea a 7.0, and that's a review. Thanks, as always, for supporting this tea channel. And that's about it. I hope your day was good. Hope you get time to reflect on your day every day. Maybe even like 10 minutes right before you go to sleep. I always like to do that. Cheers.